The industrial revolution is in full force, automating tasks in nearly every industry, from manufacturing assembly lines to shipping departments. As robots are becoming commonplace, ON Semiconductor solutions are advancing their capabilities, including how they move. Here at ON Semiconductor, we are developing solutions that enable more efficient movement and increase the battery life of industrial robots. With BLDC motor drivers, robots cover more ground more efficiently. BLDC motors run at a much higher efficiency than DC motors, which is important for robotics, where heat and energy dissipation are primary concerns. BLDC motor drivers enable robots to execute basic motor skills with high accuracy. Gripping is smoother and more precise. Trucking is more coordinated and intentional. When more precise motion is needed, stepper motor drivers help robots perform detailed tasks with minimal ripple. Robots can grip small items with a refined pincer grasp, cut out intricate fabrications, and execute programmed minute motions. Motions are highly repeatable and reliable. ON Semiconductor motor drivers enhance robotic motion and help robots maintain a longer battery life, which thereby lowers the cost of operation. These systems are also quick to market and easy to implement in machine design. Through continuous research, testing, and advancements, ON Semiconductor solutions are moving robotic systems into the future. For more information on how to implement BLDC motors, gate drivers, and stepper motor drivers into your machine design, visit onsemi.com.